The hailstorm caused so much damage to a Clinton school, district leaders were forced to shut it down. Students at Levitt Elementary School were kept out of the building and sent to 3 neighboring schools today while crews worked to clean up the damage. District leaders say the baseball-sized hail left more than 100 holes in the school's roof, and that allowed the rain to get in. Leaders say every room in the building has standing water.
Never had anything like this in one building like this. Concern of ours is that, we've got state tests coming up in the latter part of April, first part of May, and we need to get the kids back here.
Well, district leaders are considering a temporary fix to the roof so students can return. We are told it's highly unlikely students will be back in the building this week.
And what